Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing the best chef's knives, handpicked through research and testing to meet different needs. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly options, top performance, or unique features, I've categorized them to match various preferences. Check the description for the latest prices and details. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's get started. Number 1. Mercer Culinary High Carbon Steel Knife. Discover the joy of cooking with the Mercer Culinary Millennia Series High Carbon Steel Knife. This elegant tool is crafted to elevate your culinary journey, simplifying meal preparation and igniting your passion for cooking. The refined design offers a luxurious touch while delivering unparalleled performance for both budding chefs and seasoned culinary artists. Feel the confidence as you chop, mince, and slice with precision, transforming ordinary ingredients into extraordinary dishes. With a comfortable grip designed for safety, each cut feels effortless, making your kitchen a space of creativity and joy. Experience the satisfaction of using a knife that not only enhances your skills but makes every cooking experience more enjoyable. Make the Mercer Culinary Millennia Series knife your trusted companion in the kitchen and take your cooking to new heights of excellence. Number 2. Pawdon Professional Chef Knife. Experience the joy of cooking like never before with the Pawdon Professional Chef Knife crafted from high-carbon stainless steel. This remarkable kitchen companion will inspire you to slice, dice, and chop with confidence and precision. The soothing wood handle provides a comfortable grip, making each meal prep session a pleasure rather than a chore. Whether you are a seasoned chef or a passionate home cook, this knife offers the versatility you need for everything from vegetables to meats. Feel the connection between craftsmanship and functionality as you wield this exceptional tool. Its sharpness, honed by expert artisans, ensures that every cut is effortless, allowing you to focus on your culinary creations. Let the Pawdon Professional Chef Knife redefine your kitchen experience, turning ordinary meals into extraordinary culinary masterpieces that fill your heart with pride. Number 3. Matz Otto Kitchen Knife. Elevate your culinary journey with the Matz Otto Kitchen Knife, a true masterpiece for every kitchen. Imagine effortlessly slicing through fresh vegetables and tender meats, enhancing your dishes with precision and care. Crafted from premium stainless steel, this knife ensures long-lasting sharpness, making every cooking experience seamless. Picture the solid oak handle, meticulously designed for a comfortable grip, allowing you to create with confidence and ease. From novice home cooks to seasoned chefs, this knife is your essential kitchen companion. Handcrafted with a blend of traditional techniques and modern flair, it reflects both artistry and functionality. Each chop, slice, or dice becomes a creative expression, transforming your cooking routine into a delightful adventure. Experience the joy of cooking with the Matz Otto Kitchen Knife and discover how it can inspire your culinary passion. Number 4. DDF IOEF Professional Kitchen Knife Set. Transform your culinary space with the DDF IOEF Professional Kitchen Knife Set, beautifully crafted to elevate your cooking experience. Imagine effortlessly slicing through fresh ingredients with blades forged from high-carbon stainless steel, ensuring an unmatched durability that lasts. Each knife is designed with an ergonomic Packawood handle, offering a comfortable grip that reduces wrist strain, making meal preparation a joy rather than a chore. Picture the sleek wood block keeping your kitchen organized while showcasing the beauty of your knives. This set includes everything from chef knives to steak knives, ready to tackle any recipe you desire. It is not just a tool, it is an invitation to explore your passion for cooking. Perfect as a thoughtful gift or a personal treat, the DDF IOEF knife set is a statement of elegance and functionality in your kitchen. Number 5. KeyMake Kitchen Knife Sets. Elevate your culinary journey with the KeyMake Kitchen Knife Sets, a stunning collection that embodies excellence and craftsmanship. Each knife in this 3-piece professional chef set is made from high-carbon stainless steel, ensuring remarkable sharpness and durability. Imagine the joy of effortlessly slicing through ingredients, making meal preparation not only easier but also more enjoyable. The ergonomic Packawood handle provides a comfortable grip, allowing you to create masterpieces in the kitchen with precision and control. Picture the satisfaction of presenting beautifully prepared dishes to your loved ones, sparking conversations and shared memories around the dining table. Packaged in an elegant gift box, this knife set is an ideal present for aspiring chefs or passionate home cooks. Discover the beauty of cooking with the KeyMake knife set and transform ordinary meals into extraordinary experiences. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.